Hey crafty friends, today I will be sharing with you cards I made for this month's Not Too Shabby Box of the Month. So let's get started. I made 8 cards using this month's Sheetload of Cards by Call Me Crafty Al. So here is the sketch, and you can obtain this sketch for free. All you have to do is go on her channel, and I will have that link below so that you can learn how you can obtain this free sketch. I will be using this stamp set. It is called Lavender Skies. And then the 2 paper pads, Serene Escape and Tea and Honey. So I'm really loving the lavender in this collection. Alright, so here are my 8 cards, so let's get started. But I do want to say, when I first saw the sketch, I was like, am I going to have to cut each piece one by one? But Call Me Crafty Al is super clever, and I like the fact that I got to use one whole piece of paper, so I didn't have to cut out so many strips, and then I just added the strips all around my rectangle pattern paper, and you'll see that all in the sketch. But I just wanted to share my mind, like my thoughts about the sketch when I initially saw the sketch. And I was like, oh gosh, I have to cut all these strips. But no, you don't. So here's the first card I made. And usually when I try to design my cards, I like to pick at least 3 ephemeras. And I like to have one of them stand out. So I did pop out this right here. Then I added, I guess, this poster, honeybee, and this backpack. And then I added some of the sparkly enamel dots. And inside I used the extra pattern paper from the 6x6. That was extra from this one right here. And then this next one right here, I added again 3 with the enamel dots. I did pop out this one and this one because I thought it would look really good, especially this one right here. Like, it pops off of this planner. And you'll notice some of them will have sentiments and some won't, only because inside I can add that sentiment. And again, the strip. Then here's another one. I think that cat is so super cute. What do you guys think? And then I added this, I guess this end table. I'm sorry if you hear my dog in the background. And I thought this girl would make a perfect complement for this end table, or yeah, hutch. And I added a dragonfly and some sparkly enamel dots. I do like this mustard color paper. It just, to me, it screams summer, between summer and fall, but really more summer because, I don't know, just something about this with the pinks. I really like that look. And, of course, I did this honey for sale with the bee, and then the honey and some sunflowers. Thought it made a good cluster. And then I added the enamel dots. Oh, also, the cardstock that I'm using is Early Espresso by Stampin' Up. The next one right here, I love this one because it has books. I really think this tea is super cute. And I just like, oh, also I wanted to mention that the complementary paper that I'm using here is actually the back side of this pattern paper. And if it doesn't match, I'll just use whatever was from, like, for example, from this one, and I'll just trade it. So here's another one. This one I used all the lavenders and then the hydrangeas. And with this one I added 5 small enamel dots because I was running out of the larger ones. So I added 5 of the small ones. And this one is all popped up. Here's another one. I really like this look right here, you know, because this one is like the girl walking, and then like this one is like in your face. I don't know, it just flows. I really like that look. And then for the last card, I used the sentiment, in a world of chaos, let lavender be your serene escape. And then, you know, you have the clothes hanging and then the girl right there and then this bird. Just thought it flowed really well. Then inside the strip of the pattern paper. So let's take a look at it one more time. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought of this month's box of the month. Unfortunately, it did get sold out, but you can be on the wait list for next month's box of the month, which I will have that link down below. You can still buy some of these elements from the box individually, so I will try and list that below if it is available. Usually Jamie will list her extras, and then we're gonna revisit some of the cards I made this month for the box of the month. I made 4 extra cards, and I revisited some of my older sketches. So here's the first one, and here I used the doily. Here's the second one. Here's the third. I love this cat. They're so cute. And here's the fourth. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for spending a little bit of your time with me today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I appreciate it that you're here. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.